Answer not getting?
No,
Let's see
sir.
what it will become. It will become 12x by 100 is equal to 10 into 22,000. Okay, let me keep it in bracket. 22,000 minus x by 100. Okay, so 100 both side it has been got cancelled. Okay, 5 to the 10 and 6 to the 12. Okay, so it will become how much? 6x is equal to 22 into 5, 22,000 into 5, it will become 1,10,000. Okay, so after multiplying, I'll be writing directly over here 1,10,000. 1,10,000 minus 5x. So what will happen? 11x will become 1,10,000. So x will become how much? 10,000. 10,000 is the answer. One is 10,000, another is 12,000.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Understood.
Yes. So clear to everyone? Any other doubt to anyone?
Sir, let me take a screenshot, sir. Please minimize this, sir.
Okay, here it is not in proper process. Process at first you know what you have to write. Yes. Let the price of one mobile
Yes.
be x, another mobile will become 22,000 minus x. Then according to question, you will be solving this. Then 10,000. Then you will write hence price of one mobile is 10,000 and price of other mobile is 22,000 minus 10,000 is equal to 12,000.
Sir,
Clear?
question number 8. Um,
Yes, Nancy, what you're saying?
the question number 8.
Question number 8. Okay. So let's see question number 8. Rita sells a copper for 2,640 and incurs a loss of 12%. Okay. What should be the selling price for 12% gain? So at first you have to find CP. And CP you can easily find. Do you know the formula of finding CP? You
Sir,
can write at first
82%
here
of x.
SP is equal to this much, loss percent is equal to this much, then you can say CP is equal to, there is the formula, cost price is equal to what? Cost
Sir,
price is
100
equal
plus
to
100 plus 10%.
100 plus
100 by gain percent.
100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. Is this? This is the formula.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The
So
100 by
simply
100 minus
now you keep the value
2s.
and you will get. Then after this, again there is a formula for finding. For second one there is the formula SP is equal to what? It is
100
100 plus profit percent by 100
100
into CP.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you now solve my problem, sir?
So you will be able to make in this way, Nancy. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I think Khush saying something. Yes, Khushi or no, Shreya is saying something. Yes.
Sir,
Shreya, yes, what you saying? Yes.
So in
so when you will
118 right?
explain that GST and all, sir, because it will come now in this one, sir.
Yes, yes. So last time only I had explained GST. Of course, I will be going after that. After the doubts explanation, overhead explanation, and there is about GST also.
This chapter
Shreya is
will
saying
come
page number 118 only. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I made all question, but I
Right.
can't made one question.
this chapter will come in PT2.
Yes, PT2, this chapter will come 100% definitely. Questions has been also made. But what it has been taught from there only it will be asked. If it, anything it has not been taught, then it will not be asked. And of course, about GST and VAT, I will be explaining. So that will be also covering. Yes, in
sir,
page number 118, what she was saying, Shreya?
The 100 one question only. So all question I made, sir, but this one
Which question?
one, sir.
Question number 1.
Yes,
Okay.
I also check an e-content. Then you didn't solve it.
In e-content I had not solved. Okay, that means this video it has not been sent. Chinu's I had not solved, is it? Let me see.
At that time, I think the recording was not started.
No, that time it was started, might have not been solved. So let's see. Chinu gave 20% of marble to his younger brother. Okay, and Chinu's friend borrowed 25% of the marbles. Okay, left with him. If Chinu has given away 32 marbles in all, then how many marbles did Chinu have in the beginning? So what it is said? At first you will write, let the Chinu have X marbles at first. So given to brother 20% of X. Okay. So left marble
5.
then you will be finding. Yes, x by 5 he given. So left marble x minus x by 5, that is 4x by 5 it will be left. And from that 4x by 5 again 25% he has given to whom? His friend. So this plus x by 5 if you will do, then this is equal to 32 you will do, then you will get the value of x.
So can you explain once how did you get 4x by 5?
4x by 5 is the left one. If x by 5 he has given, then left one will become how much? X minus x by 5.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you
It will
solve over?
5. So you will be able to write in a process, or I should explain in process.
Sir, once time you solve the board, sir. I don't
Can you
understand it.
explain?
Okay, so in process I am explaining this. See,
Yes, sir. Don't understand. But in process you solve the.
okay. So now I am solving in process. Yes, you can write let the marbles with Chinu at the beginning bx, then given to friend is equal to 20% of x, then marble given to friend, friend friend is equal to 20% of x. Okay, and thereafter that is you can find it is equal to 20 by 100 into x. So 21 the 20, 25 the 100, that is x by 5. Now left marble with Chinu is equal to then right. Now left marble with Chinu is equal to x minus x by 5. LCM taking then 5. That will become 5x minus x, that is equal to 4x by 5. Now given to friend, okay, this is given to friend only, yes, or brother. Sorry, they given to younger brother, it should be written over here, not friend. Because 20% he has given to younger brother, not friend. Younger brother. Now friend, given to friend is equal to 25% of the remaining, okay, 25% of the remaining. What it means here? 25%. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can write again. Number of marbles given to friend. Number of marbles. Okay. Marbles given to friend is equal to okay. Number of marbles given to friend is equal to what will happen? 4x by 5. 25% of 4x by 5 you can write, okay? 25% of 4x by 5. So that will become 25 by 100, okay? Into 4x by 5, okay? So here 25, 4 is 100 and 4 got cancelled. That again x by 5 is over here. So you can write according to question x by 5 plus x by 5 is equal to 32 because here it has been said the total number of marbles given is equal to 32. Yes, getting me?
Yes, sir.
So by according to question, or you can write according to question or by question also. So by question okay, writing problem is there. X by 5 plus x by 5 is equal to 32. So it will become 2x by 5 is equal to 32. So it will become 2x, okay, or you can say x is equal to 32 into 5 by 2. That means 2 16 is 32. So 16 into 15 it will become how much?
80.
Yes, 80. Yes, 5 is there. Okay, so
Yes,
16
sir.
into 5. Okay, this is into, okay, it is looking like 15, so I'll write it properly. Into 5 it is. So 16 5 is 80. So this came. Hence, Chinu has 80 marbles at beginning. You can write hence Chinu has had 80 marbles at beginning. Marbles at the beginning. Okay. After that, what is the question number second? Okay, let me see. What is the question number second? Okay. In question number second, it has been said what percentage of the marble did Chinu give away? So of course, Chinu give away 22x by 5 you can say, or 32 you can say, simply 32 by 80 into 100% you will be doing and you will be getting the answer. Yes, that is 40% will come answer. This you will be able to make, or I should explain that also.
No,
No,
so
sir.
just make a screenshot. I will take a screenshot.
Okay.
Also,
So
yeah.
screenshot I'll be doing, then you will be taking a screenshot. Okay. So screen became small. Okay, a little bit more small. Will it be adjusted? No, not adjusted. So again I have to make more small. Now it has been adjusted, so you can take screenshot. I think it is
So
visible
I'll
to
take
all properly. Take any
Yes.
screenshot,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
So any more doubt to anyone?
No,
Yes?
sir. No.
I have doubts, sir, in exercise 9.1.
Sir, I have seen question number this only,
In
sir.
9
Question
what?
number 3, sir.
3 over here only you have got doubt in 3.
Yes, sir.
I think 3 I had solved and it is in recorded also. Recording also is there. And 3
Neha was.
many times I had solved, I think. So I'm rubbing this. Let me see what is there. 3. That is of time. Yes, half 1.5 hour cherries. Yes, I had solved.
2 times you have
Yes,
solved.
I'm solved, no, sir. I did not understand. Okay, you
Many
make me
times I had
understand,
solved.
no,
Yes.
sir. I will be.
2 times you have solved, sir.
Just see what it is you have to do. 2 times I had solved. Yes. Neha studied 1 by 2 hours more than Cherry. Okay. Cherry studied 40% of the total time of both of them. Both of them spent studying find the total number of hours the two of them studied. Also find the numbers of hours each of them studied. So what you will do? Simply you will write let in for x hour. Then what will happen? Neha will study x plus 1 by 2 hour more. Yes. Then total time is equal to x plus 1 by 2 hour you will be doing, and you will be getting 2x plus 1 by 2 hour. So what will happen? X by 2x plus 3 by 2, that will become hours. Yes. Into 100% will become how much? 40%. If you will solve this, you will be getting the value of x, and you will be getting the value of time of Chinu's studies. And when you will be getting the time of Chinu's studies, then you will be finding the type of, what is the another name? Neha. So Neha type. Will you be able to solve this? Did you understand how this x by 2x plus 3 by 2 came? Because total time is x plus Neha time is x plus 3 by 2. So it becomes 2x plus 3 by 2.
Not
Got
understood.
it? Not understood. So I think the last time I had solved in this process only, or different process.
Sir, don't understand, sir, this.
Okay, so let's see. I'll be explaining this again. If you had not understood, simply just see. Here simply you will write let Chinu is there, no, Cherry is there. Let Cherry studied for x hour. Then Neha studied for x plus 1 by 2 hour. That is equal to x plus 3 by 2 hours. Here total studied time is equal to, so total studied time is equal to x plus, there is a plus sign, x plus 3 by 2 hours, that is 2x plus 3 by 2 hours. Now according to question you will be writing, now according to question, Chinu is studying for 40% of the time. So Chinu's time, that is Chinu is studying for x, and whole time is 2x plus 3 by 2. For finding percentage, we do into 100% is equal to 40%. So what will happen? Okay, this will come this side, this will become like this. X plus, if you will want to take, okay, what's saying fraction add, then we can do fraction add also, like 2 over here, and 4x plus 3 it will become, is equal to 40%, below came 100%, of course percent got cancelled. Okay, then after 1 0 got cancelled, 2 2 are 4 and 2 5 are 10. So 5 will be going that side, then it will be coming, multiply, we can write 5x is equal to, and this will come this side, then it will become 2 into, when this will come this side, it will change into multiply, so 4x plus 3 by 2, so this 2 got cancelled. So what will happen?
X is equal to 3, sir.
Yes, x is equal to 3. It will become 5x minus 4x, okay, is equal to 3, or you can write simply x is equal to 3 hours. So Chinu studies for 3 hours, and near stage is for 4.5 hours. That means 3 plus 1 by 2 hours. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, make it a small, no?
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir,
sentence
understood.
part at last you will be able to write by yourself, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And write, make the solutions in as I am making in statement wise. In many copies which I had seen, there was no statement. If there will be no statement, the question answer is not explained and answer can't be said perfectly right over there. Then. Okay. So any more doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt to anyone. Thank God the doubt has been completed.
Sir,
I have
I
doubt
think.
in page number
Okay, still there is doubt. From 5, 6 days I am just solving doubts only. Okay, which page number?
127.
127. Okay, 127.
Yes, sir. Of GST.
GST. Okay, that I will be first explaining the text, then I will be going. Any other has got doubt till 9.2 that I am saying. I think example I had explained yesterday. Is it?
No, sir. You have not explained the example, sir.
There are tricks in
Yesterday
example.
was doubt solving only.
Sir, you have not
sir, what is the
explained.
difference between imply sign and equal to sign, sir?
Yes. Now I'll say in some copies I had written. Yes. I would like to discuss about this also. Where to give this imply to equal to sign. In several copies I had seen the students are like this. Implies
Your voice is tracking.
implies to that will become wrong. Suppose he for keeping imply to. My voice is talking. Is it for everyone? Imply to
No,
is
sir.
used only while
Yes,
Sir, your voice is stuck.
being equation.
Sir,
While
your voice
equation
is
being
tracking,
into
sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
it is talking to everyone. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
My voice is not coming
Talking to
properly.
everyone.
Okay, let me see what is the problem. Why the voice is not coming properly? Now is it now also is tracking? You can see everyone's videos. Let me see
Yes,
my
it's
speed.
also
Okay, how to see my speed? Of course, I will be able to see the speed. Is it okay now?
Coming, sir.
Little,
Now also it is tracking.
little bit tracking, sir.
Hmm?
little bit
It is tracking. So the things are being listened properly. Is it? Still is tracking. You are not being able to understand.
We are
now
not
it
able
is
to
talking,
understand.
sir.
Okay, speed is too much high. Just see. Okay. Then also you are not being audible. 5.8 MB per second. I think in your areas now audible clearly. Yes.
Yes, sir, now audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now
So what I
audible,
was
sir.
saying, where to use this is equal to this tends to is used. This is also said. This sign arrow sign is also said tends to or implies to. Tends to or implies to. This is used while solving equation or at the starting of the statement also you can write. Better to use over there since or therefore sign in a starting, and in a starting since can be used, and when answer comes at last then you can write therefore. And while solving anything or simplifying or you are doing the solution, that times is equal to sign should be only used. Is equal to sign, that shows yes each steps are equal. Okay.
Mostly in equation and also equal to is used in between, sir, to equate, sir, and implies at the starting, sir.
Yes. Or in very simple way you can understand, we can't keep 2 is equal to, if the statements we are solving and in equation what happens, everywhere in middle there is equal to, so we can't keep 2 is equal to, that's why we are keeping tends to. And where single step goes on solving one by one, then there should be is equal to only, not tends to sign. In some copies I had marked that. Understood where which sign we have to use?
Yes, sir.
He's becoming happy.
Okay.
Yes, sir, understood.
So now, no any doubts? And these examples,
No,
I think
sir.
I had explained. That's why there is tick marks.
Sir, you might have explained to someone else class. We haven't understood this also.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Eighth A are below, just before you, not after you. So how I will be teaching to them then? Okay, no problem. That means
See
none
that.
of the examples I had explained, is it?
Not
Yes,
a
sir,
single
not-
example, sir.
Not
Yes,
a
sir,
single.
not a single
Sir,
example.
you might have explained in 8C.
8C I am not teaching. Okay. So let's see. Additional problem involving profit and loss. So, what are the problems in profit and loss? Like our here it has been said, a man purchased 2 LED TVs in 36,000. He sells one TV at profit of 15%. I think this is of 9.2 only. Yes, that's why I had explained this. After 9.2, I had not explained. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then you are saying that this is not explained, huh?
Yes,
That's why I was
sir.
saying
I
why
was
there
telling.
was ticket. So let's see over here, overhead expenses. Overhead expenses means it can be traveling expenses. Okay, traveling expenses, that is overhead, or repairing, or spraying of, okay, medicines, insecticides, pesticides, or repairing. These all comes overhead expenses. Now, I'll say you might have been, okay, tackled, or you might have been found from your parents and other also. If you will buy the things, I'll say you, if you will go in big shop in Darbhanga, okay, main town, let's be tower, they will sell the things generally in MP or much bigger price. But if you will buy the same thing in village shop, you will find in MP if it is written 100 rupees, they are even selling it in rupees 95 also or 90 also. Why this big shop is not reducing any money, but in a small shop village they are reducing 5 to 10 rupees. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Say.
They might be in, sir, a friend, or that's why giving friendly discount.
No. Actually, village persons' overhead expenses is less. They are simply coming themselves, they are buying and taking. And they are only there in the shop. There is no any other staff. They don't have to pay for a staff. They don't have to pay for the room rent. They are in their own home, there is shop. So what happens? What margin they are getting? Over here in 100 rupees, they are buying only in 80 rupees, then they are thinking, okay, no problem, 10 rupees profit is also much more. But in town, what happens? They have to pay about 10,000 to 20,000 rupees for room rent. They have to keep 3 or 4 staffs. Now, if each staffs are 5,000 rupees, they are taking salary, then 4 staff, then 20,000 salary. Now, their materials, of course, materials they are buying in cheaper rate than that of villager, because they are buying in truck, so little bit cheap. But due to these expenses, they deny to give any discount, because every month he is just spending 40,000, so this 40,000 will be added to his CP more. Getting it?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's why sometimes you might have seen, if you will go in your village, okay, and if you will ask anyone what is the price of Horlicks bottle, of course in my village itself I am buying in village only this Horlicks bottle. Okay, earlier and now I am not remembering, the price used to be 474. If I will buy it in Tower Soap anywhere, they will not reduce 1 rupees also. Okay. Now, when I am buying in village, I am just giving 450 rupees. Why? Either the person is selling me in loss? No. But his expenditure is not much. He is also buying this at 10% less discount. Okay, when I asked to that person, then the person said, because the person is okay, my relative itself, then they said that 10% less they are getting. That means how much? 47 rupees less they are less they are buying. So 20 rupees or 25 rupees he is making less also, then he has some profit. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's why sometimes what happens, if you will go in restaurant, the same thing price, of course not same, they are making tasty also, okay, but the prices are high. If you will eat full stomach, then it will be at least rupees 300 or 200, okay. But if you will go near the bus stand hotel, if there you will eat full stomach, then it will be rupees 50 to 60 or 70, you can say. The difference is there, because he is not keeping the big cook, his food, that's why his foods are not so tasty. Here the cook is there who is charging 20,000 rupees per month. Then after 5 to 10 waiters are there, they are charging different. He has taken, okay, a big building on rent, that charge is different. Manager charge is different. Where this all charge will go? That all charge will go in the amount itself. So these all are overhead expenses. These are only said overhead expenses. Getting me? It has been said transportation cost, packaging cost, repairing. These are overhead expenses. Actual cost price is cost price plus overhead expenses. If any shopkeeper says you that no, in how much price I had bought, in the same price I am giving you, I am not taking any benefit, then he is wrong, he is saying wrong. In that way, his business will go down. So, businessman, of course, overhead expenses is also added over there, and some profit should be also added over there. Okay, if there is, that is too much close relative, then they may give you about price itself. Now here, if you will see, it has been said, Biraj has to sell his house. Originally, he bought it for 75 lakh. Before putting it to sale, he decided to repair and renovate it. That means to make it more attractive. And on that, he has spent 10 lakh. So now the cost price of that house becomes for Viraj itself 85. So he then posted an advertisement in local newspaper which charged 10,000. So now it became 85 lakh 10,000 rupees. Okay. For him, cost price becomes 85. Okay, sorry, 75 plus 10 lakh. It has been added over here. Yes. So 75 and 10, 85 lakh 10,000. Yes, 85 lakh 10,000. Overhead expenses here it has been written 10 lakh 10,000. So whenever that person will be buying that house, he will be keeping the price above this. Either it can be 90 lakh or 1 crore or 86 lakh only. Now what benefit he wants, that much he will be adding over here for getting the selling price. Got it?
Yes, sir, got.
So now here it has been said Sohan bought a second hand refrigerator for rupees 2,500, then spent rupees 500 on its repair and sold it for rupees 3,300. Find his loss or gain percent. So
300 gains.
2,500 he has, and 500 he had spent on its repairing. So actual cost price becomes 3,000 and selling price is 3,300. So gain is equal to SP minus CP, that is 300, and gain percent becomes gain by CP. Okay, and CP is actual CP, that is why what's saying repairing cost including, that is 10% is only gain. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now here if you will see example number 20, here it has been said Lalita sold a dress for rupees 17,390 at 6% loss. She has sold it at loss. If she had added a belt costing rupees 900 to the original dress before selling it, find the price at which he had bought the dress. Now just see, it has been said Lalita has sold the dress. Okay. That is how much? At rupees 7,390, which is at 6% loss. And here it has been said if she had added a belt of rupees 900 to original price before selling it, find the price which she had bought the dress. So of course at first you will be subtracting 900 from here, or what we can do, at first we will be finding CP over here. Loss we are getting, yes, loss we are getting. So CP is equal to what? With loss there is a formula. CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. This is the formula. So you will be finding CP, and now from that CP you will be subtracting 900, and then you will be getting the cost price of the dress. So just see what it has been done here. Loss at first it has been assumed here. Here what it has been done, just opposite way. In this way also you can make X, then 6% of X becomes 6X by 100. Yes. So X minus 6X by 100 is this much. So X value it has been found 18,500. This is only the CP. And now from here 900 subtracted because she had added the belt by her own. So actual CP is 18,500 minus 900, that is 17,600. Is this clear? Yes. So if you will see after this, there is try this section, and in this try this section there is only 2 questions, which I think you will be able to make it. You will just see
Yes,
and
sir.
you will try to make.
Yes, sir.
If there will
Yes,
be any
sir.
doubt, then you will be asking.
Solved also.
Yes.
Solved also. I have solved.
Very good. So now, very good, very good. Those who had solved, it's very good. Now here comes the topic discount. Now I want to say you that discount is always allowed on marked price, or somewhere it is said also market price. Marked price, or some says market price also. Actually, marked price is only the right way, because it is listed over there. Like if we buy this, what saying Horlicks bottle, then what it is written over there is that is only its MP. Suppose if it is written 520, so the mark price is 520. Now, if the person is saying that 5% discount I will be giving, then on this price he will be giving 5% discount. So discount is always calculated on marked price, not on selling price. Selling price becomes after the discount.
How
Rupees
they
520
earn profit
written.
on discount?
Now just see here, I'll say you. This is MP rupees. Let it be 500. Okay. Discount is 10%. Sorry, percent I had written. Discount is 10%. Then 10% of rupees 500 will become rupees 50. So SP will become MP minus discount. That is SP is rupees 450. Now, on how much he had bought, that will be CP. Of course, if person is selling on 450, then may he had bought at 430 or 440. Or maybe this 450 it is going in loss, might have been bought in 460 or 470 rupees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If they give discount, then how they will earn their profits?
Of course, they are calculating. And do you know when anyone is selling the things in loss? If you are a businessman, do you think that you will sell anything in loss?
No,
No,
sir.
Then why anyone is selling in loss? Why it is coming that a person has sold in loss? Now I'll say you why the persons are selling in loss.
So may I say?
Now, yes, say.
So it is because the original CP of the product is less, and they show the market price something else, and after that they reduce by showing discount and attract the customers, but also then they get the profit by themselves.
No. I'm saying in
Sir,
real loss.
sir, may I tell, sir?
Say.
Sir, due to off season or the expiry date becomes near, sir, all because of that.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Generally, I'll say when expiry date is near. Suppose if a person have got some things like okay, Horlicks only. In Horlicks also it is written best before 6 months or best before 1 year. Now he has kept. He has kept and he has tried to sell it. And now only 2 months or 3 months left before best before 1 year. So after that he is knowing anyone will not be buying. So there he makes the price less and try to sell it, clear it. Or like sometimes if you will see potatoes, the person has bought, it start decaying. Now the person is thinking if I will not sell it, then the whole will be lost. So if he has bought 10 rupees per kg, he will try to sell it at first rupees 11, 12, 13, 14. If it is not going, let it be in 8 rupees per kg only, let it sold. Some money I will be at least I will be getting some money. Not then totally it will become loss. 100% loss will be there. So there the person are
Sir,
selling
this
the
is
thing
the
in loss.
case of goods, no, but what it will do in textiles, sir?
Of course, in clothes also, if clothes becomes 5 years, 6 year old, then its durability goes down. It get what? Infected, or you can say destroyed. If you will keep your own shirt, buy new shirt and keep it for 5 years, after that when you will start to wear, then you will find no, that didn't lasted for more. It get teared quickly. Why? Because of getting decayed. By keeping clothes also becomes decayed. That's why there you can say different medicines are coming. Panil, okay, what saying, tablets or other things your parents also might be keeping in the stores where they are storing the clothes. Okay, so in that cases it becomes loss. No one will try to sell anything in loss. Sometimes sale they are keeping where the things are in reality cheaper. In 100 rupees only pants are being sold, or in 100 rupees only shirts are being sold, or in 50 rupees or 80 rupees. Either they are bought in less price and they are getting profit, or their things are getting decayed. So to clear it anyhow to get some money from there, they are keeping on sale. Okay, so what you will be doing now, I can see a time has been too much over. So you all will be doing these two questions and you will be reading the text further. Some examples are also there which I'll be explaining next day. Okay, then we will be coming towards GST. Hope next day I'll be coming towards goods and services.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in this PT2, sir, chapter number 10 will not come, no, sir.
Chapter number 10. No, it will not
Yes,
come because
sir,
it will not be
compound.
taught now. The days are also gone. So this time chapter 10 will be left. Okay, this time I try to complete all, but also it has not been completed. So no problem. Next time we will be increasing after this PT2. We will be increasing our speed little bit more. Okay, so thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Now I am ending
Thank
the
you,
class.
sir.
Bye,
And
sir, thank
before
you,
that,
sir.
Bye.
I'll stop recording.